Woohoo, ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to be doing a total product overview of this fantastic little vacuum that is not only versatile and effective, but because I want to show you why it's been so great for our home. It is a lightweight cordless stick vacuum with powerful suction for hardwood floors, tile, carpet, and furniture. It has a super long runtime that's enough to vacuum my entire house all in one go and comes with several swappable heads for different surfaces. So we got this vacuum for a few reasons. The first is because we've got different types of floors, and we wanted something that would vacuum effectively on all of them. The second reason is because we've got kids who are constantly making messes, but they often drop stuff on the ground like food, crumbs, and other stuff that are heavier to pick up, so we needed something that was powerful enough to pick up that heavier debris. And the third reason is because we have a dog who is shusha awesome, but he sheds all the time. And so we wanted something that would also effectively remove his hair from our furniture, carpet, and rugs. So if you're looking for a vacuum for any of the same reasons, just go and buy this vacuum. It's awesome. But if you need further convincing, let's talk about the swappable heads in Cyclone, starting with a motor bar cleaning head. So this is your workhorse. You'll use it 90% of the time. It works on all floors, so hardwood floors, carpet, rugs, and tile. And then this is a 2-in-1 brush crevice tool that by pressing on this button here, the brush will slide up the crevice nozzle and turn it into a brush tool. The crevice is great for picking up fine debris in corners and hard to reach areas, and then the brush end is great for working on sensitive furniture and surfaces. Then there's this furniture and cushion scraper that does a fantastic job at removing pet hair and other stuff that is lodged into furniture and pillows. Then you have this extender wand that by pressing this button here extends or shortens the wand, transforming it from a stick vacuum to an upright handheld vacuum. And finally, you have the Cyclone. First, you have this little button here that if you press, releases the dustbin door to empty out the dustbin. But then if you press on this button here by the handle, it allows you to remove the dustbin completely to both wash out and rinse. It also provides access to the filters. Then to access and clean the filters, you simply remove these parts here to get access to the filter. You run this part underwater, you let it air dry for 24 hours, and then you simply insert it back into place and you are good to go. And then there's this second filter that by rotating this part here, you'll also get access to rinse off, air dry, screw back on, and it's good to go. Then it comes with a removable battery that slides in and locks into place under the handle and trigger. And then by pressing the trigger, it'll activate the Cyclone and illuminate the LCD screen to show you how much power it has left and what mode of power you're using. And if you press this button here, it'll switch it from Eco mode to Turbo mode to Super Turbo Deluxe Boost mode. A couple of the fun features is that on Eco mode in an empty dustbin, I can vacuum my entire house, all floors in one session. Our laundry room, our kids' room, the bathroom, the playroom, this little book nook, a guest room, all of the stairs, the living room, kitchen, the mud room, this little entry room here, our bathroom, closet, and our entire master bedroom all in one go. And what I'll do is occasionally switch it to that Super Turbo Deluxe Boost mode to pick up heavier debris and crumbs and stuff just lodged in carpet and rugs. Another great feature is how easy it is to empty out the dustbin. So just be sure you're standing over a trash can, and then you'll just press this button here, it'll swing open the door, and then just giving it a couple of pats, and if necessary a grab or two, empties out most of the remaining debris, and then you simply close the lid here until it locks into place and you're good to go. Charging it is pretty simple as well. Simply plug it into this little port found here, and if it's still attached to the Cyclone, it'll illuminate that LCD screen, indicating how much charging it still needs to reach 100%. But you can also remove the battery as well to charge separately from the Cyclone for further convenience. So if it isn't obvious by now, this thing picks up fine debris without issues. It works great on carpet, hardwood floors, and tile. It takes about 4 hours to charge the battery and allows you to easily vacuum to your heart's content. So yeah, it's great, especially for that turbo boost mode in picking up lodged crumbs and debris in carpet. So that's my product overview of this ergonomic, efficient, and mean little vacuum cleaner. And if you've gotten this far in my video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or heart on the video. Over and out.